Looking for furnished apartments in major cities worldwide? This video reviews Blueground, a platform for short and long-term rentals. Links to Blueground and other resources are below. Designed for business travelers, digital nomads, and remote workers, Blueground offers move-in ready apartments with flexible leases from 1 month to a year or more. Skip the furniture, utilities, and long-term commitments of traditional rentals. Easily search by location, budget, amenities, and lease length. Apartments feature stylish interiors, fast Wi-Fi, included utilities, and ongoing customer support. Many also include housekeeping, fitness centers, and co-working spaces. Blueground operates in over 30 cities like New York, London, Dubai, and Paris. It's perfect for professionals seeking comfort and flexibility. A key feature is the ability to easily switch between Blueground apartments, ideal for frequent relocation. While pricing reflects its premium service and can be higher than local markets, it's a strong alternative to Airbnb for extended stays. Availability may be limited in some cities. Best suited for professionals, expats, and corporate housing needs, it's less ideal for budget travelers or short weekend trips. The overall experience is polished, convenient, and reliable, prioritizing comfort and hassle-free living. Need a fully serviced, long-term rental? Blueground might be your answer. Check the description for more details.